Ito po ay collaboration with Bacolod. So makikita nyo po yung nasa taas, yung Batang Pinoy is a logo designed by BSC. And then Bacolod 2026 po is yung, I think, JJ, dito yung, ipakita natin yung nasa video. Sige lang. So it's a combination po of the graphics of Bacolod and yung graphics team po ng PSC. Okay, so ito po yung ating official logo. So yung nasa baba po is the brand of Bacolod. And yung Batang Pinoy po is yung ating branding for this year's Batang Pinoy. So we will show you some of our renders para po magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano po yung mangyayaring Batang Pinoy on the next coming months. So this will be our concept for our venues. Ganito po yung magiging vibe and look ng ating venues. Next please. Our official pictograms, kung saan nakita nyo na po kanina yung official pictograms for different sports. This will be our official medal for Batang Pinoy. So, ayan po. So, that's it po for the branding and for Batang Pinoy. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, John. Ganda ng vibes, saya ng vibes. Now we go to the presentation, okay, of Host City, Bacolod, for this 2026 Batang Pinoy. Yes, Mayor?
Thank you again. No? Siguro, in behalf lang of the city, Bacolod has been known as having the best chicken in asal in the world. We are known for the Mascara Festival, and we are known as the people with kahit medyo galit ka na, malumay pa rin yung pagsasabi, malambing pa rin yung pagsasabi mo. So meaning, it shows our warmth and our hospitality. No? So Bacolod City is prepared to host this year's Batang Pinoy. We were the host for the first ever Negros Island Regional Athletic Association meet last February. Bacolod City, together with different colleges, hosted the National PRISA last May. So it's for us, it's an honor na by December, Bacolod City is the venue for the Batang Pinoy. No? So on our part, our private sector is ready to support us, the restaurants, hotels, Airbnbs. DepEd is our partner in terms of accommodation. We have enough rooms, no? Aside from the hotels, our accommodations for our athletes. No? So we are ready for it. And I think together with the PSC also, we'll be launching a sports app to be used for the Batang Pinoy 2026. It will provide the profile of the athletes as well as the schedule of the Batang Pinoy and all the things needed, any information needed for the Batang Pinoy. No? So, the close to 700,000 Bacolod noons during night time, and more than 1 million during daytime is ready to welcome all of you to the Batang Pinoy 2026. And we thank again, hindi namin patuloy namin pagpapasalamat sa PSC, Chairman Pato, and the entire PSC family for choosing Bacolod and for allowing us to show not just our food, not just our hospitality, but much more. We are known in the past as the haven for the best athletes in the Philippines, be it in football, be it in baseball, softball, and other sports. And lately, our children and our youth are already excelling in the different sports competitions. And most of them, pagkatapos ng grade school, nandito na sa Manila. So, see you in Bacolod in December 2026.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions. Yes, Bong Pedralbes.